Hello class, so let's look at a question here. This question asks what is the value of y when x equals 3 in the linear equation y equals 7 minus 2x. So when you have a question like this, what you want to do is you want to replace the x value in the equation with the given value of x and find out what y is. So in this case, you can have y equals 7 minus 2x. So 2x means 2 times x. I like to put x in brackets or the substitute value in brackets or parentheses. So we're gonna end up with y equals 7 minus 2 times 3 is 6, or y equals 1. So the value of y when x equals 3 in this linear equation y equals 7 minus 2x is 1. Let's look at another question. Here, this question asks you to create a table of values for the equation or linear relation with an equation of y equals 2x plus 2. In this case, I would either give you what points to use, or you can choose the points that you want to substitute, or the x values that you want to substitute. So you can use or come up with x values. So those are values that you would want to come up with. I like to always go with -1, 0, 1, 2. I'm gonna put -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. And similar to what we did in the previous example, we would substitute this -2 into the equation. So y equals 2x plus 2. So when you work that in for y, you're gonna get 2 times x is -2 in this for this point here, -2 plus 2, and that equals the value that we want, which is 2 times -2 is -4, plus 2 is -2. Okay, so when you plug in the -1, this value will become 0. Again, if you want to work it out, would be 2 times -1 plus 2, which equals 0, and you keep doing that until you end up with the values of 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so this is the table of values. You don't need to show the blue every single time, but a lot of times I would be asking you to show me at least 1 or 2 of these values. So this is the work for a question asking you to find the table of values for a linear equation. So again, you have to come up with the x values. Always, if it's not provided to you, you have to come up with them yourself. -1, 0, 1 would work fine, but here 5 values is even better.